Okay, the Hausa man who lives in Bida area of Onitsha,
Who lives in Lagos?
whose family started living in Onitsha from before independence, who was born there, his father was born there, his grandfather was born there. He attended university, he speaks Igbo as much as any other Igbo man. But his name is Musa Awa. Is he a Southerner or a Northerner? You see, there's a problem we have in this country. And what is important and the next problem of getting right. We need to transit beyond this level. Have you observed that our politics is misaligned with our economics? Yes. Some of them will be very rich about what to say. We live in Abuja here. We own properties in Abuja. Some of us don't go to cumulatively in a year more than 10 times, maybe 10 years cumulatively. But you know that some of us don't know the ward we belong to in Abuja. We don't know the council of our ward. We don't know the House of Rep member representing our friends. I don't know the product of that representing Abuja. I don't know. But he will be in Abuja. Participating in the election in the place he was not really. He knows the council of his own ward. He participated by phone in electing the council of. Because you know why? Nigeria, by a country of tribesmen, that are only interested in sharing national cake.
Society galvanize ourselves as the fulcrum that will lead towards engagement of the civil populace, towards ensuring that the next leadership recruitment process is embedded with enough of intellectual engagement. This is where the cradle for giving birth to good leadership starts. And until this is done, and people's eyes are opened to what have led us to where we are foot dragging, it will become an unfortunate incident. It will just be like the Israelite journey. We are out of Egypt. Jerusalem is still far.
Thank you.
Okay, so finish. Okay, so beyond this,
yes.
How are you pushing for this topic? How are you going to push it to ensure it's integrated in?
It's a series. If you listen to my initial speech, it's a series, and it has started. It is not just going to be lecture series. We are going to engage in town hall meetings. We are going to meet with stakeholders. That is why it is called a multi-stakeholder approach. We are going to cross stratas. We'll go to the youth. We are going to the women-based organization. We are going to go to the youth-based organization. We are going to get to the faith-based organization, even political.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.